It's a bit windy. Whoopla. Come throw a stone if you want. It's a mashup. You might throw a stone for the lake. But sail the craft like when you sail it on the river. No. Sure. Let me show you how to do it.
Okay.
Go over this one. Oh, go next side. Go to that side. Go that side, look, come there. Look out there, look out there. Look out there, so. Look, come there. That's it?
Okay.
Come take a pass. All you have to. Good. Voila. I might never want to come. Bomba, you see that? As far as my fingers put on be eyes. I see big pretty bright sun in the sky. And I care how many degrees under zero we go. The only thing happens, the lake freeze, the swimming pool freeze, but no snow. We barely have snow in the south of France because big blue skies and sunny weather. But yet still the lake freeze over. If you walk on it, I got crack up with it, not get too heavy. But you might throw that stone up and you see stone right there, so.
Yeah.
That's it. Big the stone. We want to do ice skating. I'll let you want to fling a stone. Fling.
No.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah, the fling is so. Look.
Okay.
Like a stone chin on the top. Sure. Voila. Sure. You go straight across?
Yes.
Go on. No, more I see us and see people up on the other side. Don't fling it on the other side. Do it here, so. Sure. Eh. Look at me right now. There. What? I brought what all my water.
Oh.
You see?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay. Voila. Yeah, we fling a stone. Okay. Come, we have a birthday party. Come. Stamp it with your foot. Stamp it. Stamp. No, stamp it now because I stamp it. It's going to sing with you. If you stand up and you're going to sing with you. Alright, come on. I mean, I want to see one fish in the water here, so, but look like all of them gone back that side there. What is a melt out already? Where the people are fishing? Alright, come now. Good evening. Come, go on. Walk on it, me see. Go on. Eat a crack up? Go on. Go on. You know, start crack it. Go on. More. Go on. More. Go on again. Go on again. Go on, Jamai. Go on out more. Got this stuff. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on out more. Your ear to crack, Jamai, but you're not crack. Look. Jamai, go right here, so look.
To my foot.
Go on. Go on out. Out more. Out more. Wow. Bush, I'm take a picture. No, it's not a jet. Why don't jump on the ice? Be careful, Jimmy. Go on, go on. Jimmy, walk by ice. Go on out more, Missy. Go on. Ah! Go on some more. Oh! You afraid?
Nah.
You in a record, Jimmy. Go on. Go on in a record. Go on back. Go on back. Move on, I said, I got drop down with you. Don't walk on the path, you walk already. Walk on somewhere else. Go on. Alright, go on right. Right, Jemoy, right. To your right. At what, Jemoy? Jemoy, at what? There you go. Do some more. Go, go. Go pick up the stick. Go pick up the stick and come back. Go on.
Fish.
If you run it, I go mash up. Every take time I walk. Go pick up the stick and come back. Pick up the stick. Yes, it's not deep enough, but it have like a swamp. So if you drop it, I'm going to reach about knee length. Do some more. Alright, now we are going to test further. You want to test further? You want to test further? You want to go out more? You want to go out more? What? I'm not try that back side because I'm going to sink in either.
Okay. Goodbye.